Lord UL approved 400 series can be used to replace welding, brazing, riveting, and other mechanical fastening methods, outperforming these fasteners in harsh environments. For these reasons, the 400 series is frequently used for adding structural reinforcing members inside the sign box and building channel letters. Lord Structural Adhesives offer 30-plus years sign application expertise, a complete product line, and a strong distribution network. In this demonstration, we will show you how to assemble a non-painted aluminum box frame using Lord 400 series products for corner key bonding. Step 1. Clean and position parts. Start by wiping all areas to be bonded with a clean, dry rag. Clean and position parts for assembly. Step 2. Assemble box frame. Begin by assembling the fixture corner angles for the sign box. The corner angles are where we will apply the structural adhesive. Once the corner angles are all assembled, now assemble the box frame. Apply a couple pieces of tape at each corner edge to hold everything in position. Step 3. Purge and runoff. Prior to application, properly prepare the 406-19 adhesive. Begin by purging a small amount from the cartridge to level the plungers. This verifies that both portions of the adhesive are dispensing equally. Next, attach a mixing tip and dispense a 2-inch length of adhesive. This ensures a proper mix of the adhesive. Step 4. Inject and mate parts. After purging the cartridge, the next and final step is to inject adhesive into the corner angles. The pre-drilled holes fit the tip of the static mixer. This helps with the injection process to force adhesive into the bond area. Continue to inject adhesive until you see a small amount squeeze out of the angle. This ensures you have good coverage. Check for square. Reposition if necessary and let set for 15 minutes prior to handling.